Hello dear students, continuing the previous lecture. Today we will study about cubic crystals. Cubic crystals are those crystals in which atoms, molecules or ions are arranged on a cube. These are mainly of three types: simple cubic, this is the simplest form out of the three. Simplest form of cubic crystals. In these type of crystals, one atom, molecule or ion is arranged at each corner of a cube. So as cube has 8 corners, so there are 8 atoms one each is placed on each corner. So if we depict it diagrammatically, supposing this is a cube, so this will be a simple cubic structure if atoms are arranged at each corner. So if we place atom at each corner of the cube, then it will become a simple cubic arrangement. Then it will be a simple cubic arrangement. One more thing, as each corner atom is shared among 8 cubes, so contribution of atom at corners towards one unit cell it will be equal to 1/8, because each atom at the corner is shared by 8 cubes. So contribution of the atom at the corner will be 1/8. Second type of cubic crystal is body centered cubic. This is called B.Sc arrangement. Here 8 atoms with 1 each is present at each corner of the cube. and one atom is present at center of cube. So if we depict it diagrammatically, the arrangement will be like this. Eight atoms present at the corners and one atom at the body center. Point of intersection of body diagonals. So one more thing is left. If we are to calculate number of atoms present in one unit cell, number of atoms present in one unit cell of simple cubic arrangement, it will be, as there are 8 atoms in total, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and each atom is having 1/8 contribution. So total number of atoms present in simple cubic structure will be 1/8. 1. So now if we wish to calculate here the one atom which is present at the center of the cube, its contribution towards unit cell, total contribution of the one atom which is present at center of the cube, it will be 1 because it is well inside the unit cell. So if we are to calculate total number of atoms present in one unit cell of B.Sc arrangement, it will be, so if you look carefully, 8 atoms are present at the corners. Their contribution is 1/8. 1 is present at the center, 9th atom, its contribution is 1. So it will be 2. So number of atoms present per unit cell will be 2. Third kind of cubic arrangement is face-centered cubic. FCC arrangement. So here 8 atoms with 1 each atom is present at the corners of the cube. And 6 atoms with 1 each atom is present at each face of the cube. So there are 6 faces of cube, then we need 6 atoms. So if we are to depict it diagrammatically. Eight atoms present at the corners. One, two, three, four, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 8 atoms at center of each face. Top face, bottom face, left face, right face, front face, center of back face. These are 6, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So this is the diagram for FCC unit cell. Each atom at the corner, its contribution is 1/8. Each atom at the center of each face, we should write here word center of each face, its contribution is 1/2, because face atom is shared by 2 cubes. So if we are to calculate total number of atoms present per unit cell of FCC structure, so it will be 8 into 1/8, 6 atoms on the faces, contribution is 1/2, so it will be 4. So total number of atoms present in a unit cell also can be calculated using a simple formula. Total number of atoms present in a unit cell, it will be calculated using the formula Ni. It is a total number of atoms in the interior of the cube. Nf/2, total number of atoms at faces. Nc/8, Nc is total number of atoms at corners. So for simple cubic arrangement, we will calculate them. For B.Sc arrangement, we can calculate for FCC arrangement one by one. In simple cubic, inside 0, faces, number of atoms is 0, corners, there are all 8 atoms at the corner, so answer will be 1. B.Sc arrangement, 1 atom at the center, 0 atom at the faces, 8 atoms at the corners, it will be 2. Face centered, 0 atom in the interior, 6 atoms at the faces, 8 atoms at the corner, so it will be 4. So you can directly calculate total number of atoms present in a unit cell in this simple way. Next, volume of the unit cell. Volume of unit cell. This is very simple, because all the 3 simple cubic, body centered cubic, face centered cubic, they are all cubic in nature, and for cubic crystals all the primitive cells are equal. So volume of unit cell will be length into breadth into height, as all are equal, so it will be A cube.